Escaping the paycheck prison. 3 steps that changed everything for me. Stuck living paycheck to paycheck? You're not alone. Here's the 3-step plan I used to break free and why millions are doing the same now in 2025. Let's be real. Paycheck to paycheck isn't living, it's surviving. I know because I was there. Even after decades of working, I still couldn't retire. But here's what changed everything for me. 3 steps that turned a prison for me into freedom. Audit your time. Where does your day go? Have you ever checked that out? 8 to 10 hours for a job plus commute leaves you absolutely drained. I personally flipped the script and carved out 2-3 hours to work on me. Simplify income. Forget juggling 5 side hustles. That's insane. And you're not making money doing it. You're only exhausting your time. I found one blueprint that pays 100% profit every time. Simplicity is power. Leverage community and automation. Community gives support. Automation does all the heavy lifting, simplifies your life. Together, they keep your business running, even while you want to go sleep or take a nap or the beach, whatever. Now, let me ask you, what would you do with 20 extra hours a week back in your life? Think about that. This isn't theory. It's how I escaped what I call the paycheck prison. And I share more in my next video on how to break free from the 9 to 5. The link is right below, so feel free to copy, paste, and click it and watch it. They're not long, but they're very in-depth and informative. Comment ready if you want me to send you the steps I follow daily. And don't forget, go to hollypringdailypay.com is where you can see exactly how this works. Costs you nothing to check. What does it cost to not look at it? You don't get rich trading time for money. You get free when you buy your time back and you're in control of your life. You have any questions? Shoot me an email and I'll be more than happy to answer that for you.